Welcome everyone. This is Bōde's Vancouver real estate market update for September 2021. So this video is going to quickly show you what's happening in Vancouver at a macro level, and then show you where you can find all the data for your specific property type and community so you can see exactly what's going on in terms of property prices and demand and supply in your neighborhood. So let's dive in. First thing we're going to take a look at is the greater Vancouver area, all residential new listings coming to market each month for the last 3.5 years. So you can see in a normal year, this typically follows a very similar pattern. In 2021, the bright blue line, the number of new listings has been up significantly over previous years. So lots more new listings each month. But in the last 2 months, that's really fallen way back down. So we're back down to kind of typical levels here, especially if you were to take out 2020, this dark blue line, we're right back down to where the number of new listings were in 2018 and 2019. So down about 10% versus the average of the last 3 years. So that's what's happening with new listings. If we take a look at demand, or the number of sales each month, again, bright blue line here for 2021, the number of sales was up massively earlier in the spring and early summer, and that started to come back down now again towards more normal levels, but still up, much more so than new listings. So sales up 31% in August versus the average of the last 3 years. So still lots of transactions happening out there and more than typical, but starting to come back down now from the crazy heights of earlier spring and summer. So what's happening with prices? Well, prices in Vancouver continue to go up. If you take a look here at the home price index over the last 15 years, pretty steady price increases going all the way back there. There was a little bit of a slowdown here between 2018 and the end of 2020. But in 2021, prices have been going up quite quickly and setting new monthly highs here overall. Now, this does differ quite a bit depending on whether you're looking at detached homes, apartments, or attached homes. So you can check out all of the details in our full Vancouver market report. Or even better, you can go to our website where you can access all the data you want for free yourself on Bōde.ca. So we have 3 tools here that are very useful for anyone. The first one's called Market Data, and this one lets you see what's on the market and what's sold by community. So you can find out exactly how many homes have sold in your neighborhood and how many are currently listed for sale. So you can get a feel for those same supply and demand dynamics that we were just looking through there a moment ago. The second tool we have is called Sold Data. So here's where you can see the sold prices for any home that's sold in the last 2 years in Vancouver. So you can find out when it was listed, when it sold, and exactly how much it sold for versus its list price. And then the third tool is our comparables tool. So you enter 8 features about your own home, and you'll see the most similar live listings, so what they're listed for right now, and you'll see the most comparable sold listings, so you can see what homes like yours are selling for. So check all of that out at Bōde.ca, and we'll see you in next month's report.